This excellent 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.9-liter inline 6-cylinder 24-valve engine, an exciting 6-speed manual transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive. This quad-cab pickup has comfortable dark slate gray seats, only 57,628 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.